When you search for smart light switches, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims, but to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Casa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. Let's kick things off with the Casa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. This one caught my eye because it promises an easy setup with app-guided installation, and it's priced competitively since you can often find it in packs. If you want reliable control over your lights from anywhere, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The app-guided installation means even if you're not an electrician, it walks you through the setup step by step. You'll need a neutral wire and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, but if you have those, you can control your lights from anywhere using the Casa app. Imagine being on vacation and turning your lights on and off to give the appearance that you're home. Plus, it supports voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, which is super handy when your hands are full or it's dark. Casa has a strong reputation with over 4 million users, so you know you're getting a trusted product. Now, some people complained that the installation was tricky if they weren't familiar with wiring. Here's the thing though, if you follow the ops guidance and take your time, it's definitely manageable. But if you're really uncomfortable with electrical work, it might be smart to consult an electrician. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, reliable smart switch that you can control from anywhere. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with wiring at all. For the price, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the wiring requirement bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an innovative feature.
Product number 2, TP-Link Topo Matter Smart Light Switch. I was impressed by its Matter compatibility, making it stand out in a market of generic switches. Priced around $23.99, it's a solid option for anyone looking to modernize their home setup. If you want a switch that works across all platforms, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Matter compatibility allows it to work with Apple Home, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings without being locked into one ecosystem. That means you can control your lights from multiple apps and devices, which is a huge plus for anyone who has a mixed smart home setup. The app-guided installation is a breeze, and it also supports voice control, which is always a bonus. The fact that it can communicate with other Matter devices directly means even if your internet drops, your lights still work seamlessly. Now, some users found that the initial setup process was a bit confusing, especially if they weren't familiar with smart home technologies. But honestly, once you get through that learning curve, you'll appreciate the flexibility it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a smart switch that offers cross-platform compatibility and future-proofing with Matter. Skip this one if you prefer just sticking to one smart home ecosystem. For the features you get, it's a great buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a traditional yet smart lighting experience.
Product number 3, Leviton Decora Smart Switch. I love this one because it combines a sleek design with robust functionality, priced at about $29.88. If you want a smart switch that blends well with your home decor while offering full control, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. This switch allows you to control your lights from anywhere and works with all the major voice assistants. It's got an app that lets you schedule your lights so they can turn on at sunset for added safety. This is especially useful if you often come home late. No one likes fumbling in the dark. With its Matter-ready compatibility, you can easily integrate it into your existing smart home setup without hassles. Now, some people mentioned that the scheduling feature could be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, when it works, it's fantastic, and most users find it reliable once set up. Just be patient during the initial setup. This is perfect for you if you want a smart switch that feels like a traditional switch, but with smart capabilities. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. It's a bit pricier than some other choices. For the quality and features, it's a fair price. Now, if you're looking for dimming capabilities, let's move to our next product, which has you covered.
Product number 4, Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3. We have the Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220P3. This caught my attention for its dimming capabilities, and at around $55.99, it's a bit on the higher side, but the flexibility it offers is impressive. If you want to create the perfect ambiance in your home, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. The dimming feature allows you to adjust the brightness from 0% to 100% using the app or the switch itself. You can set schedules for when you want the lights to be bright for activities or dimmed for movie nights. This switch also supports voice control, so you can easily set the mood without getting off the couch. The app-guided installation makes it accessible, but do keep in mind that you'll need neutral wiring for it. Now, some users pointed out that the price might feel steep compared to standard switches. Here's my take. If you're someone who values ambiance in your space, that price can be justified by the enhanced experience. This is perfect for you if you want to create the right atmosphere in your home with dimmable lighting. Skip this one if you just need basic on-off functionality. It's a worthwhile investment for those who love adjustable lighting. And lastly, if you need a switch for 2 locations, the next product is a great option for that situation.
Product number 5, Casa Smart 3-Way Switch HS210 Kit. This one intrigued me because it allows for control from 2 locations, making it a fantastic choice for larger rooms or hallways, priced at around $32.99. If you're looking for flexibility in your lighting control, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to use it as a 3-way switch means you can replace traditional switches that control the same light from different locations. Think about it. No more running back and forth to flip a switch. Plus, it has all the other smart features, like remote control from the app and voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. And just like the others, it requires a neutral wire. Now, some users mention the installation process can be tricky if you're not familiar with wiring, similar to the other Casa switches. But honestly, if you take it slow and follow the app, it's manageable. Just be prepared to dedicate a bit of time to get it right. This is perfect for you if you need a smart switch that can control lights from 2 different spots in your house. Skip this if you want a simpler setup without needing to deal with wiring. For the price, it's a solid choice with great features.
To wrap it up, we've explored some fantastic options. The Casa Smart Light Switch HS200P3 for reliability, the TP-Link Tapo Matter Smart Switch for versatility, the Leviton Decora for style, the Casa Smart Dimmer for ambiance, and the Casa Smart 3-Way Switch for flexibility. Each one has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making your choice.